Okay, so hi dear Cancer, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is journal; it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 23rd till the 29th of December, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with, along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. Now, if you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. Super easy to understand. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. You can check out my website actually, and you can book your slots accordingly. I'm new to the website thing, so I'm getting a little confused these days. Let's see, Cancer, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see what's happening. We have the Hermit. Someone is kind of thinking a lot about you, about this situation, about this connection a lot these days. They're trying to use all of their wisdom and knowledge and experience and whatnot about thinking about this particular situation, like why this situation is kind of like this between you and them. Let me clarify the Hermit. We have the Four of Swords, the Three of Pentacles, the Ten of Pentacles. Yeah, this is someone who feels like having something solid on the table between you and them, having a beautiful partnership, collaboration, and having something long term between you and them. And they feel like they should just detach for the time being and think about the future direction of the situation in every way possible from their side. Okay, they feel like healing the connection between you and them. They feel like having a long term partnership between you and them, and they definitely feel like they should just think about it with every possible angle and then proceed further. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? King of Wands. So from your side, you feel like you should work on yourself. You're very passionate right now. You're very passionate. You are very much in this energy of let's do this, let's do that, let's have fun. So you might be very focused on your own self right now at this present moment, Cancer. You might not be very worried about love and relationship area, or might be not they're very much worried about a specific person or specific energy. Let me clarify the King of Wands, but you're very passionate at the same time. That's the deal. Hierophant, Page of Cups, King of Wands. Haha. You feel like you should go forward towards somebody only if you feel very much attracted to the idea of going forward towards somebody. Otherwise, you should just keep your energies to yourself, keep your things to yourself. See, you have someone specific in your mind, okay, and you feel like you should go towards them and offer them some kind of commitment or ask for marriage or ask for commitment or something like that. But at the same time, you feel like you should do it only when you feel the urge to do that. Until that time comes, you should just be focused on yourself. You feel like that. Either it's a specific person and or it's a specific kind of person that you feel very attracted to in your mind space, and you feel like you should just proceed forward with that kind of person only, but only when you feel like this is the right person or this is the person I want to be with. Cool, that's really cool. But you're keeping your heart and energies very open, very passionate to attract that kind of person or that kind of energy towards you. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Cancer? Page of Swords. This person wants to watch you from a distance. They want to learn each and everything about you as much as they can, but from a distance. Okay? This person is kind of watching you, watching your move, watching what you are up to, watching what you're doing, and everything. Basically, they are getting to know you better. Let's clarify the Page of Swords here. Ace of Pentacles, King of Swords, Queen of Swords. Wow. They want to come forward towards you with a very clean and clear cut energy of I want to be with you. Period. Nothing less than that, nothing more than that. I just want to be with you. because I am very attracted to the idea of being with you, and I have thought about it very, very thoroughly. Okay. So, so somebody wants to know you better and better and better, and then when they are going to be satisfied, like they got to know you better, they want to come forward towards you with a clean, clear cut energy of I want to be with you. Now it's your choice if you want or don't want it, but I want to. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? Six of Pentacles. You want to have equal give and take of energy. You want a connection where you are going to feel the other person, other energy is also involved the way you are. There's equal love, there's equal energy, there's equal give and take. Everything is sorted, everything is balanced. Let's clarify the Six of Pentacles. We have the Eight of Cups, the Knight of Swords, and the Five of Swords. Okay, honey. So the thing is that you want to keep moving ahead, keep moving ahead, keep moving ahead until you are going to match the person of your vibe. Okay. So if you are not going to get equal give and take of energy, if you are not going to get the kind of love or kind of respect and kind of energy that you are putting in a situation, you are ready to move on, and you are ready to cut everything and everyone out of your life if you're not getting what you want out of them. That's pretty strong boundaries. So basically you want to create strong boundaries around you, and you know what you want, and if you're not getting it, you're good to go, like good to say goodbye. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 29th of December. Page of Cups. Okay, someone is coming towards you with some kind of message, communication, apology, or maybe someone is going to be vulnerable in front of you, express their feelings to you. Let's clarify the Page of Cups. Mhm. See, someone is going to drop this energy of being in their head all the time about the situation, and it's bothering them big, big, big time about not being vulnerable in front of you. So, someone is coming towards you with some kind of message, communication, apology, some kind of emotional vulnerability. It's going to confuse the hell out of this situation, hell out of both of you actually. But someone will try to connect with you and tell you what they're going through, the emotional confusion, the emotional turmoil, the kind of feelings that they have for you. They will try to explain it to you. Now what you're going to do about it, how you're going to respond to it, that's completely up to you. Okay. The guidance for you guys, Eight of Swords. If you can't stop thinking about something or someone and you're continuously thinking negative about that situation, try to talk it out with that person, with that energy. Try to sort it out with them instead of making scenarios in your mind and creating scenarios that might or might not be true and hurting yourself all the time. Just try to connect with them, talk it out with them, and communicate with them properly, right? If it is not possible, then do not proceed further until unless you are 100% clear in your mind space and heart space. Don't go forward. Nobody's forcing you, right? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.